In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Synthesia AI video. We'll start in a web browser. Head to Google. In the search bar, type Synthesia AI and press enter. This helps you land on the official site without needing to remember the exact address. In the results, click the official Synthesia link to open the website and access your account. Once you're on the site, go to the Videos section. This is where your projects live. You may be prompted to sign in, use your usual credentials, and, if you have multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the right one so you see the correct library. Browse your list of projects and pick the video you want to download. If you have lots of content, the search and filters can speed this up. Hover over the video card to reveal extra controls if you don't see them right away. Look for the three-dot menu, sometimes called the More Options or Overflow menu, associated with that video. Click it to open the Actions panel for that specific project. This is where Synthesia puts the download options, so you can export exactly what you need. From here, choose the type of download. If you want the script or subtitles, select Download Captions as .srt. An .srt file is a standard caption format with time codes and text, and it works with most editors and video platforms. Your browser will save the file to your default Downloads folder. It's a good idea to rename it clearly and store it alongside your project assets so you can find it later. You can import this .srt into editing software or upload it to platforms like YouTube or Vimeo to display captions. If you want the actual video file, choose the video download option. Keep in mind that downloading the rendered video requires a paid plan. If you don't see the option, it likely means your current plan doesn't include it. Once available and selected, the download will begin and the file will be saved to your computer. That's all you need to do. Use Google to reach the official site, open the Videos section, select the project, open the three-dot menu, and choose the download you need. With these steps, you can quickly export captions for accessibility or grab the full video for distribution. Thanks for watching and happy creating!